Good afternoon and welcome to the magic of human beings. We just had a fantastic, inspiring conversation with Alexis Deacon, author of Beegu, Slow Lorries, and so many other books. And now he's coming back so he can read Croc and Bird for us. So Alexis is joining in. Let's see. Ta-da-da. Alexis, great.
Nice to be back. If anything, it's gotten even brighter behind me. I feel like the world is, it's like, yeah.
I know. I have just
I'm gonna.
eyes. It's like.
Yeah, right. Well, I'm happy to see it. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been quite a horrible winter, I think, for a lot of us. We've all been shut up in dark little holes, really feeling terrible about our lives. So bring on the sunshine, I say.
Bring on the sunshine. Yes.
Shall we have a story?
Yes. Bring it on.
Right. Okay, so this one is called Croc and Bird. I wonder if you can guess what it's about. Side by side on the sand sat two eggs. Tap, 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 crack! A bird, and rip! A crocodile. Hello, brother, said Bird. I'm hungry, said Crocodile. Oh well, open your mouth as wide as you can and food will just come. So they waited and waited, but food did not come. I should go and look for some, said Crocodile. I wonder what food looks like. I didn't know what we like, so I brought a selection, he said when he came back. Could you chew it for me first? Asked Bird. When they had finished, they sat together on the sand, looking at the world. I'm cold, said Crocodile. Me too, said Bird. And then the sun rose. Look, it's beautiful, said Crocodile. I think we should sing to it, said Bird. La 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 la, oh sun, how beautiful you are. Oh, so Crocodile's like, right, sing. Singing makes me sleepy, he said, and then he fell asleep. When he woke up, Bird was sitting on something. Ooh, said Crocodile, what is that? It's our home, said Bird. Days went by, and Crocodile and Bird grew big together. They practiced flying. I think it's working. They practiced lying like logs in the water. Oh, yeah, this I can do. Me too. Oh! They practiced climbing. And they practiced dancing, which I know from experience, birds do like this. Probably seen it on YouTube. I think crocodiles, I imagine them doing this. Shimmy. Oh, it's been a while since I shimmied. When the weather was fine, they basked on the hot rocks. And when it was bad, they fluffed up to keep warm. Bird takes his feathers, fluffs them up, trapping nice layers of warm air, and Crocodile takes his feathers and... I'm glad you're my brother, said Crocodile. Then, one day, the river carried them far away to a lake full of crocodiles by a forest full of birds. They looked at them and they looked at each other. Oh, said Crocodile, how silly we've been. We're not brothers at all, said Bird. I suppose we should say goodbye, said Crocodile. Goodbye, said Bird. And Bird flew off to be with the birds, and Crocodile swam off to be with the crocodiles. The next day, Crocodile greeted the sun with a song. Oh, sun, how beautiful you are. Ah, be quiet, said the other crocodiles. At lunch, Bird caught a buffalo. Ah! That is disgusting, said the other birds. In the evening, Crocodile said, I've built us all a nest. But no one cared. When it got dark, Bird flew away by himself. Come back, called the other birds. We don't fly at night. Bird found Crocodile perched in a tree. Just about to see him there. I couldn't sleep, said Bird. Me neither, said Crocodile. I missed you, said Bird. Me too, said Crocodile. Brother, said Bird. Yeah, said Crocodile. Good night.
Oh.
And that's the end. I love that last picture. So cute.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. I enjoy reading that story. I like those two characters.
Yeah, I love how they grow. They're so different. And they realize, oh, we don't belong together, maybe. And then it's like, doesn't matter.
Yeah, Skillshare.
It's make us stronger. And
Stronger together, definitely.
oh,
Love those inclusive messages in wherever possible.
And from all of those, do you have a favorite?
Oh, no, not really. It sort of changes with time. Beegu is the one who's done best. Croc and Bird is very cute. I love, especially the ending. And I really enjoyed working on the comics. So I think probably between those and Henry Finch as well. But I read all my favourites to you today. So
Oh, thank you.
All the time. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So inspiring to have you here and reading for us, sharing all this incredible creativity, bringing us some joy. And now the sunshine is out too.
Yeah, I've got a beach out here. What am I doing inside?
Oh, Alexis,
right.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day, everyone. It was great to see you. Thank you for inviting me, Karol.
Thank you. It was honored to have you and pleasure to share this hour with you.
All right. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.